Hello, hi. In this video, I will demonstrate and technically explain my employee details mobile application developed for XYZ Electronics. The purpose of this application is to provide a simple and lightweight solution for managing employee information at the Marina Bay branch without using complex databases or cloud services. The application was developed using Android Studio with the Java programming language following a structured and modular design approach. Uh, when we talk about project contents and requirements, XYZ Electronics is a growing retail company with multiple branches in Singapore. Due to operational growth, managing employee records manually became inefficient and error-prone. The key requirements identified were simple authentication, ability to view employee details digitally, and easy navigation and no dependency on database at this stage. These requirements influenced all designs and implementation designs throughout the development process. When we talk about technology stack and development approach, the application was developed using Android Studio, which is the official IDE for Android development. Java was selected as the programming language because it aligns with prior academic modules. It's stable and well documented, and it is suitable for beginner to intermediate Android projects. The application follows an activity-based architecture where each screen is handled by a dedicated activity class, ensuring separation of concerns and maintainability. When we talk about the UI, here my laptop cannot run Android Studio right now because it got stuck. So I cannot show the work application for you. So when we talk about as I already informed to the lecturer, let's talk about the technical explanation about the login screen. The application begins with a login activity which serves as the entry point of the application. Authentication is implemented using hard-coded credentials. This design choice was intentional to avoid database complexity, focus on UI navigation and logic. Mid-assignment concentrate the login logic user edit text components for username and password input, a button with a one on-click listener, and a conditional validation using if statements. So let me show you. This is my activity login.xml, and this is my activity login.java. All right. So when we talk about upon successful validation, an intent is used to navigate from the login activity to home activity. So when we talk about home screen, if using recycle view implementation, after logging in, the user is navigated to the home activity, which displays a list of employees. This list is implemented using recycle view, which is an efficient Android component for displaying scrollable lists. Recycle view was chosen because it improves performance. It supports scalable data display, and also it enforces clean separation between data and UI. Each employee item includes employee image, employee name, employee ID, such details. A customer adapter class is used to bind employee data to the UI element dynamically. So when we talk about navigation and intent handling, when an employee item is selected, the application uses intent-based navigation to move to the detail activity. Employee data such as name, ID, image reference are passed between activity using intent extra. And this approach ensures loose coupling between activities and clear data flow, and also easy debugging and testing. The use of explicit intents improves clarity and control over navigation. So employee detail screen It's a data display logic. So when we talk about the data display logic, the employee detail activity displays complete information about a selected employee. The layout includes an image view at the top, multiple text view components for structured employee data. The image displayed on the home screen is reused here, ensuring visual consistency across screens. Data is retrieved using get intent within the brackets dot get string extra brackets and dynamically assigned to UI elements. This demonstrates effective data handling without external storage. So when we talk about design decisions and constraints, several design constraints were intentionally applied. No database or Firebase integration, no network dependency, local in-memory data storage. These constraints ensured faster development, reduced technical risk, focus on core Android concepts, so the design prioritized functionality and clarity over advanced features. So when we talk about testing strategy, manual testing was conducted throughout development. Key test cases include valid and invalid logic attempts, navigation between activities, correct data transfer via intents, UI responsive on different screen sizes. Testing confirmed that application behaves as expected under normal usage condition, but I cannot show you because under my uh, start laptop. So, as a conclusion and a future enhancement, in conclusion, the employee details application successfully meets the initial requirements of XYZ electronics. It demonstrates effective use of Android components, clean navigation logic, and structured UI design. Future enhancements could include SQLite or Firebase integration, role-based authentication, and search and filtering functionality. This project highlights practical mobile development skills and reflects real-world software design considerations. So hope you will understand my consequences. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you so much for watching.